Welcome to our channel. Today we how to fix financial reporting with Xero, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Xero dashboard and log into your account. Navigate to the reports section from the main menu. Select financial statements to access your financial reports. Choose the specific report you want to fix, such as the profit and loss or balance sheet. Review the date range for the report to ensure it reflects the correct period. Check for any discrepancies in income and expenses. Identify any transactions that may have been entered incorrectly. Click on the relevant account to drill down into the transactions. Review each transaction for accuracy, including amounts and categories. Make necessary adjustments to any incorrect entries. Save the changes once you have made the adjustments. Rerun the financial report to reflect the updates. Compare the revised report against your expectations or previous reports. If there are still discrepancies, review your data entry procedures. Ensure that all invoices and bills have been recorded. Reconcile your bank accounts regularly to maintain accuracy. Consider setting up a routine for monthly financial reviews. Consult the Xero Help Center for additional resources if needed. If issues persist, consider reaching out to a financial professional. Keep documentation of any changes made for future reference. Review your financial reporting process periodically for improvements. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.